You will burn your fuel cars after watching these concept cars. Think about it. For more than a century, cars have run on gasoline, belching smoke, rattling engines, and oil changes. But what if I told you the next generation of cars doesn't even need a steering wheel, doesn't need fuel, and, in some cases, doesn't even need you to drive? From machines that read your mind, to vehicles that heal themselves, to luxury pods that feel more like a spaceship than a car, what you're about to see isn't science fiction. These are real futuristic concepts, and they'll make you look at your fuel car like a dinosaur. So buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 futuristic concept cars that will completely redefine the way we travel. 10. Toyota LQ, the car that understands you. Kicking off our list is Toyota's LQ, a concept built around emotional connection. While most cars focus on horsepower and speed, the LQ focuses on you. At its core is an AI assistant named Yui. This isn't just another voice command system like Siri or Alexa. Yui learns who you are. It recognizes your mood, your habits, and even your stress levels. If you're feeling tense after work, Yui might adjust the lighting in the cabin, lower the temperature, and suggest a scenic route to calm you down. Its design looks futuristic yet approachable, with sweeping glass panels, sleek aerodynamic lines, and lightweight, eco-friendly materials. Inside, the cabin feels like a cocoon with ambient lighting and touch panels replacing traditional dials. The LQ also offers Level 4 autonomous driving, meaning it can handle nearly all road conditions without human input. But if you want control, it still lets you drive manually. Toyota's goal with the LQ is clear: to transform cars from simple machines into companions. It's not just transportation, it's partnership. 9. Lamborghini Terzo Millennio, the self-healing beast. Lamborghini is known for pushing boundaries, but the Terzo Millennio is something else entirely. At first glance, it looks like a weaponized spaceship on wheels, all sharp edges, aggressive angles, and glowing accents. But the real innovation lies beneath the skin. Lamborghini worked with MIT to develop self-healing nanotechnology. The Terzo's carbon fiber body can detect tiny cracks and automatically release chemicals that repair them before they grow. Imagine never worrying about scratches or structural damage. Your car literally heals itself. Instead of traditional batteries, it uses supercapacitors, which charge much faster and deliver explosive bursts of power. Each wheel is powered by its own electric motor, giving insane torque vectoring and agility. From above, the design screams Lamborghini, low, wide, and menacing. But when the lights glow and the futuristic lines come alive, it feels like a car Bruce Wayne would happily trade the Batmobile for. The Terzo Millennio isn't just about speed, it's about showing us what a true supercar of the future looks like: intelligent, self-sufficient, and terrifyingly beautiful. 8. Tesla Model Omega, the ultimate Musk machine. Next up is Tesla's rumored Model Omega, a concept that fans and designers speculate could be Elon Musk's boldest creation yet. While Tesla hasn't officially revealed it, the whispers and mock-ups tell a fascinating story. The Omega is imagined as a modular, ultra-futuristic electric car that goes beyond just driving. Think gull-wing doors, solar-powered surfaces, and AI that syncs directly with Tesla's entire fleet. Need more range? Just swap out a modular battery pack in minutes instead of charging. And here's where Musk's space obsession comes in. People speculate the Omega could be designed for off-world travel, meaning Mars-ready suspension, adaptive terrain systems, and interiors that double as living pods. Imagine sitting in a Tesla that not only drives you around Earth, but one day could drive you across the Martian surface. It might sound crazy, but if anyone is going to build it, it's Musk. The Omega may still be a mystery, but it symbolizes what Tesla does best: breaking the limits of imagination and redefining what we expect from cars. 7. Mini Vision. Next 100, the personalized pod. The Mini Vision. Next 100 proves that futuristic cars don't need to be massive or intimidating. This one is small, friendly, and incredibly smart. The big idea here is personalization. Imagine summoning your car from anywhere, anytime, with just a tap on your phone. When it arrives, it's instantly configured to your style. The lighting, the seat position, the cabin graphics, even the way the steering wheel is set. Speaking of steering wheels, this Mini has a unique trick. The wheel isn't fixed in one place. It can slide across the dashboard, so any occupant can take control if they want. Of course, if you'd rather relax, the car can also handle everything autonomously. Despite being just 3.6 meters long, the Vision Next 100 is packed with BMW's advanced electric powertrain and intelligent AI. Mini's message is simple: the future of cars isn't about ownership, it's about experience. 6. Audi Icon, the lounge on wheels. sliding into number 6 is the Audi icon, a car that throws out everything we traditionally associate with driving. This isn't a car for speed junkies. It's a luxury lounge that just happens to move. Inside, you won't find a steering wheel or pedals. Instead, you'll find an open cabin with adjustable seats, touch panels, and space to stretch your legs. Two massive electric motors provide 350 horsepower and a range of 500 miles, while four-wheel steering and adaptive suspension make it smooth even in tight city streets. But the real game changer is Audi's personal AI, called PIA. It greets you by name, knows your schedule, adjusts the interior automatically, and even predicts what you'll need during your ride. Think of it as having your own digital butler on wheels. From the outside, the icon looks futuristic and bold, riding on massive 26-inch wheels. But step inside and it feels more like a private first-class cabin than a car. 5. Mercedes-Benz F015, the mobile living room. Mercedes calls the F015 a luxury in motion vehicle, and it's easy to see why. This concept is all about turning travel time into quality time. Inside are 4 large swivel chairs that can rotate to face each other, turning the cabin into a small living room. Imagine holding a business meeting, sharing a meal, or simply relaxing with friends, all while the car drives itself. The doors are huge, opening outward to reveal a futuristic interior packed with 5 interactive digital displays. You can swipe information from one wall to another, control the car with gestures, and stay connected to the digital world. Power comes from a hydrogen fuel cell hybrid system offering up to 560 miles of range. The exterior is smooth and pod-like with flowing LED light bands that signal whether the car is in manual or autonomous mode. The F015 isn't about horsepower, it's about redefining the car as a social space. 4. Audi Skysphere, the expanding Roadster. At number 4, we have one of the wildest concepts on this list, the Audi Skysphere. This car can literally change its size. Yes, you heard that right. With the push of a button, the Skysphere extends its wheelbase by 250 millimeters. In one mode, it's a short, nimble sports car built for sharp handling. Switch modes, and it stretches into a long luxury cruiser, perfect for relaxed grand touring. Powering it is a 623 horsepower electric motor mounted in the rear, launching it from 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds. But performance isn't the only highlight. In autonomous mode, the steering wheel and pedals retract, the interior transforms, and the dashboard becomes a panoramic entertainment screen. On the outside, the LED grille changes its lighting pattern depending on whether you're driving manually or letting the AI take over. It's a car with 2 personalities, and both are jaw-dropping. 3. Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100, a palace on wheels. Rolls-Royce doesn't make cars, they make statements, and the Vision Next 100 might be the boldest one yet. From the outside, it looks like a rolling throne, massive, elegant, and futuristic. The oversized wheel arches, glowing spirit of ecstasy, and imposing silhouette make it look more like a spaceship for royalty than a car. Step inside, and you'll find no driver's seat, no steering wheel, and no pedals. Instead, there's a rear-facing sofa bench for 2, surrounded by silk, wool, and polished wood. It's less of a car and more of a private lounge on wheels. Underneath, it's powered by a dual electric motor setup that delivers silent, effortless motion. Rolls-Royce calls this concept a personal vision of luxury, where every ride feels like being chauffeured, except your chauffeur is pure AI. It's the ultimate mix of tradition and futurism, a car that whispers, "The journey is the destination." 2. Mercedes-Benz Vision, a VTR, the living car. Inspired by James Cameron's Avatar, the Vision, a VTR, is not just a car, it's a living organism on wheels. The first thing you notice are the 33 reptilian-like panels on the rear that move like the scales of a creature. The wheels glow and allow the car to move sideways like a crab, giving it incredible maneuverability. But the most shocking feature? A brain-computer interface. That means you can literally control the car with your thoughts. By wearing a headband sensor, the AVTR interprets your brain activity and responds accordingly. It's powered by a futuristic 110 kilowatt-hour battery, giving up to 700 kilometers of range, and it's fully recyclable, in line with Mercedes' sustainable vision. The AVTR isn't just futuristic, it's alien. When it rolls past, it feels like something that doesn't belong to this planet. 1. BMW Vision Next 100, the shape-shifting legend. Finally, at number 1, we have the BMW Vision Next 100, a concept that shows just how far the ultimate driving machine can evolve. This car actually has 2 driving personalities. In ease mode, it becomes fully autonomous. The steering wheel slides away, the seats adjust, and the cabin turns into a relaxing lounge. Switch to boost mode, and suddenly, the windshield becomes an augmented reality display, showing racing lines, braking points, and even hazards in real time. It's like having a race coach built into the car. The exterior is pure sci-fi. The wheels are hidden behind behind geometric covers, the body shifts and adapts, and the entire car feels alive, changing shape as it drives. A BMW's vision. Next 100 isn't just a concept car, it's a promise that the future of driving can be thrilling, luxurious, and intelligent all at once. So, after seeing these 10 futuristic concept cars, are you still in love with your fuel car? Or are you ready to toss it into history where it belongs? From self-healing Lamborghinis to brain-controlled Mercedes, one thing is clear: the cars of tomorrow aren't just vehicles, they're experiences. Which one blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because here at Mr. Rich, we're just getting started exploring the wildest creations of tomorrow's billion-dollar world. The future isn't coming, it's already here.